Did you know that curry leaves can do more than just flavor your food? These small, fragrant leaves are packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Stick around to discover why curry leaves deserve a permanent place in your kitchen. Curry leaves have been a staple in South Asian cooking for centuries, but their benefits go far beyond adding a unique aroma to your dishes. These humble leaves are a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a range of health benefits, from improving digestion to promoting healthy hair. Today, we're diving into the world of curry leaves, why they're more than just a garnish and how they can boost both your meals and your health. Here's a common scenario: you cook a dish, add a few curry leaves for flavor, and then discard them before serving. Sound familiar? Many people think of curry leaves as just a garnish, not realizing the incredible health benefits they bring to the table. This misconception means we're often throwing away one of the most nutritious parts of our meals. Curry leaves are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and natural compounds that can address common health issues like hair fall, digestion problems, and even diabetes. But if we don't understand their value, we miss out on their full potential. So, how do we change that? By learning how to use and appreciate these leaves for what they truly are, a superfood in disguise. Let's explore why curry leaves are so beneficial and how to make the most of them. Nutritional powerhouse. Curry leaves are loaded with vitamins A, B, C, and E, along with minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients support everything from bone health to a stronger immune system. Rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants in curry leaves help combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and slowing the signs of aging. Digestive health. Curry leaves have natural enzymes that improve digestion and reduce bloating. They're even known to relieve symptoms of diarrhea and nausea. Hair and skin benefits. Curry leaves are often used in natural remedies for hair growth and reducing hair fall. They nourish the scalp, fight dandruff, and give your hair a natural shine. Blood sugar regulation. Studies have shown that curry leaves can help lower blood sugar levels, making them an excellent addition for managing diabetes. Now, how can you incorporate curry leaves into your meals? Here are a few ideas. Add them to soups and stews for an aromatic boost. Blend them into chutneys for a flavorful dip. Fry them in oil or ghee and drizzle over rice or lentils. Infuse them into herbal teas for a detoxifying drink. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. Here's a story that highlights the power of curry leaves. Meet Priya, a homemaker who struggled with chronic digestion issues and hair fall. After learning about curry leaves, she started incorporating them into her meals, adding them to curries, frying them as a seasoning, and even using curry leaf oil for her hair. Within weeks, she noticed significant improvements in her digestion and healthier, shinier hair. And it's not just anecdotal. Experts agree that the bioactive compounds in curry leaves, like alkaloids and flavonoids, have scientifically proven benefits. It's amazing how one small addition to your daily routine can make such a big difference. So, what's the takeaway? Curry leaves are much more than a garnish. They're a nutritional powerhouse, offering benefits for your digestion, hair, skin, and even overall health. By including them in your meals, you're not only enhancing flavor but also boosting your well-being. Whether you're frying them for a seasoning or blending them into a smoothie, curry leaves are a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Now it's your turn. Try cooking with curry leaves and see the difference they can make. Share your favorite recipes or experiences in the comments below. And if you're curious about other amazing herbs and spices, check out our next video where we explore their unique benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health-focused content. See you in the next video.